Did you know you can start programming today and the code can be with you for the rest of your life without the cloud, without the subscriptions, but with all the privacy? It's the hosting terminator. It's called Nix and it's not even an OS, unless you want it to be. But before I show you how to install Nix, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Nix. So come on, all you high-tech beatniks. This is not like homebrew because brew pollutes your machine over time. Nix floats your work from machine to machine for the rest of your life. Nix installs clean, but maybe more importantly, Nix uninstalls clean. Here's how. Use the power of your own machine. Install locally. Brew install? Nah, that pollutes your machine. Nix that problem by using the Nix repo instead. But should you ever want to Nix, here's how. Nix is like a brew install, but whereas brew pollutes, a Nix takeback leaves a pristine Mac without harming the roots. How? Use the determinate systems Nix installer. If you ever have second thoughts, what's in store, then nuke the place from orbit. It's the only way to be sure. Yeah, Bishop should go. Step 1, open a terminal and run this command. There is no step 2. This is how we uninstall Nix. Answer yes. Doop to doop to doop to doop to doop. Allow. There. Nix uninstalled. That's how you undo this if you don't like changing your life for the positive forever forward and having your work preserved from here to the end of time. Hello everybody, here we are on Windows now for the second verse, which is much the same as the first, but it's Windows, so you know how that goes. And I could use Winget or Cygwin or one of the many other ways to have an app installer on Windows. I chose Chocolatey. Use the power of your own machine. Install locally. Choco install? Nah, that pollutes your machine. Nix that problem by using the Nix repo instead. But should you ever want to Nix, here's how. Nix is like Choco install, but whereas Chocolatey pollutes, a Nix takeback leaves a pristine Windows subsystem for Linux WSL instance without harmful roots. How? Use the determinate systems Nix installer. If you ever have second thoughts, what's in store, then nuke the place from orbit. It's the only way to be sure. Step 1. Open a terminal and run this command. There is no step 2. So on Windows, a terminal often means PowerShell. So here's our PowerShell, and I will paste that command in. Nix is already installed on this system. There's the first thing. We need to run WSL. And you'll notice those backslashes transform into, drumroll please, forward slashes. So we've just switched from the incompatible world of PCs, backslash, into the compatible world of Linux, which is just how Windows works now. Every Windows machine is a potential Linux machine as well. So I paste that command in there and I run it. And as I said, Nix is already installed under this instance of Linux. I answer yes, just like on Mac. And ta-da, Nix was uninstalled successfully. If for any reason you want to take back having solved the quote, it doesn't run on my machine problem, or if you don't want write once, run anywhere across all platforms, across all time, forever forward, with a great normalized generic Linux subsystem that works under Mac, Windows, or other Linux systems. Ta-da!